how you found Valgro as a potential supplier or
Yeah, I mean, like anybody, I think we all depend on Google now, heavily on Google. And we had a lot of difficulties in using the right keys, right keywords to identify the right supplier. And with regards to Valgro, I think you have a website by the name Brushing Company
yeah.
or scale removal. In our world, scale removal is not a keyword for us. We always said bright wire. So bright wire or wire brightening or wire polishing did not kind of land us with you guys first. So we were struggling to even connect with who is can anybody in India do it? And I think after several different ways of searching on Google, we thought we should look for brushes because we should build our own machine and we should look for brushes. And then when we started searching for brushes, then we found the brushing company. And then somewhere in that link, we found that there's Valgro that makes machines as well. So we looked at your company and reached out to your company. Yeah, that's how we got into it. Yeah.